There's something exciting about exploring a new place. It can be a new country, a new city, or an interesting spot near your hometown. I joyfully share with you the city of Kabankalan and one of my favorite restaurants here. According to historians, the first residents of Kabankalan were people who came from neighboring towns. They derived the name Kabankalan from the word Bangkal, a species of trees which is abundant and can be found in the place. The settlers established the barangay form of government, which every group has its own leader called the Capitan. Hi friends, it's me Faith and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. You are very welcome, appreciated, and loved here. And to everyone who's supporting me and my channel from the very beginning, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Let's continue the story of Kabankalan. After the World War II, the town progressed and started to regain its economy. The establishment of 2 sugar mills in the 1960s and early 1970s gave the town a boost into the list of the top improving towns of Negros. The town of Kabankalan was declared by former President Fidel V. Ramos as a chartered city on August 2, 1997, under Republic Act No. 8297. Kabankalan occupies the central portion of the southern Negros Island. By the way guys, we are now here in Reegals Resto and Catering Services. Reegals Restaurant and Catering Services is located in Sitio Malasbalas, Barangay Urong, Kabankalan City, Negros Occidental. Reegals Resto and Catering Services is one of the pioneer restaurants in Kabankalan City. It is known for its cakes, batchoy, and halo-halo. Its restaurant in Barangay Urong is very conducive for birthdays, family gatherings, meetings, and other events. Its delicious food, natural ambience, and scenic view are the reasons why you should visit the place. If you want to relax, have fun, and enjoy bonding with nature and your family, Reegals is the place for you. While you enjoy the place, I would like to share with you guys the benefits of traveling. First, it ensures peace of mind. We all have stress and tension in our lives. Traveling forces us to temporarily disconnect from our normal routine, helping us appreciate the people and things we have around. Second, it creates memories for a lifetime. If we travel with friends and family members, traveling helps us build stronger bonds and make memories. We can also save memories of a lifetime by creating photo albums or sharing photos in social media. Third, it helps us to have fun. No matter how young or old we are, there is always a time when the child in us wants to have some fun. When we travel, we can enjoy and have fun in so many ways. Fourth, it helps us to get original and creative thoughts. It is believed that if someone gets out of their comfort zone, the mind gets more creative. To develop new neutral connections that trigger original and creative thoughts, we must explore new places and break out our daily routine. Lastly, travel boosts happiness and satisfaction. Most people tend to be happier when they're traveling and don't have to worry about work, of course. One of more interesting takeaways from a study is that people also experience a direct increase in happiness from just planning a trip. There are plenty of things you can gain from exploring different places. It includes gaining new friends, new experiences, and new stories. When you start exploring new places, you get a better understanding of the people living there, including their culture, history, and background. Studies show that traveling can improve your overall health and enhance your creativity. Therefore, we need to take time out from our daily tasks, office responsibilities, hectic schedule, and everyday pressures at least once a month or maybe at least once a year. I'm so grateful for the opportunity to share with you guys this beautiful place. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Thank you so much and God bless you.